Let your telescope take you on a tour of the cosmos with the NexStar SLT, or Star Locating Telescope. Every telescope in this popular family features the same locating technology on our high-end observatory telescope, priced to fit your budget. Designed with beginning and intermediate amateur astronomer in mind, NexStar SLT is easy to set up and use. Assembling the telescope takes just a few minutes. Then, the computerized NexStar Plus hand control guides you through our sky-align procedure. Center any 3 bright objects, and the telescope is aligned and ready to locate any star, planet, or galaxy in its 40,000 object database. If you aren't sure what to observe, check out the Sky Tour. It automatically generates a list of the best objects currently visible based on your exact time and location. This SLT family features a variety of optical tube sizes and styles. There's a 102mm refractor, 90mm, and 127mm Maksutov-Cassegrain models, and the 130mm Newtonian reflector with maximum light gathering ability. All 4 models provide the bright, sharp images you'd expect from Celestron, the world's #1 telescope maker. Your NexStar SLT includes everything you need to get started with amateur astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, and 2 eyepieces. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!